Welcome to another episode of Air Guns and Pesting Channel, and this video is to give Elis a shout out for the extraordinary work that he does with a 3D printer. As you can see above is his email address, how to contact him if you need anything 3D printed. This is just an example. The stock on this PP750 is one good example. Here are some of the focus rings on the scope. This is for a Citron. Just one example of the stuff that he actually prints. Single shot tray for a BSA Ultra or any of the BSAs, the R10s. He made me a single shot tray. Does good work. Don't be afraid to contact him, because he can pretty much make what you want. He certainly helped me out in my time of need when this stock broke, the original one. But check him out. Good guy. He's on Air Gun Nation. Trustworthy. I trust him, you know, with him doing my stuff. So he'd appreciate it. See you in the next video of Air Guns and Pesting Channel. See ya.